Good morning, all my friends from Arrington, Coombs, Hilliers, Whiskey Creek, and Meadowood. I'm Susan Pierce. I'm the librarian at Parksville Library, and I'm joined today by ACRA, Aerosmith Community Recreation Association. Good morning, Christine.
Good morning. My name is Christine Stevenson, and I am a recreation coordinator with ACRA. I'm very excited to make some birds today. So I will pass it over to you, Tracy.
Hi, I'm Tracy Cargo White, also a recreation coordinator with ACRA, and very happy to be here and see what we're going to do today.
Awesome. I'm so happy to be here with you both as well. Today, we are going to make some little felt birds. So as part of this video series, I've also produced a story time that's all about birds. So in order to do the story time, you can make these little birds and participate along in the story and in the poem in that. So what we're going to need is some different kinds of colors of felt or paper or construction paper, some feathers if you have them, and also if you have them, some googly eye. First step you're going to do is you're going to start by getting your bird template, which is also included on this website. If you don't have a bird template or a printer to print that out, you can also just make some very basic bird shapes. Then you're going to cut out your bird templates, and you're going to transfer those templates onto your felt or your colored paper or your construction paper, just like Tracy's showing us. You're going to cut those out, and then you're going to add some of the embellishments to them. So the feathers, the googly eyes, that will probably take you a few minutes. You can add other things too, like glitter or marker. You can color on them, whatever it is that you want to have on your bird.
So Susan, even though I used construction paper, I still doubled it up just to make it a bit thicker and stronger.
That's a great idea, Tracy, because if you've gone to the trouble of making your birds, you don't want them to bend out of shape.
So this is what my little felt bird looks like. He's got a yellow body, a pink wing, and a dark green beak and a googly eye.
Wow, he looks amazing, Christine. I love him.
I was pretty excited to find some of these googly eyes, and I'm just adding it to this guy right now. But I got some, like with this one has a yellow eyelid for my yellow bird. And I've got red eyelid for my red bird.
Oh, those look so beautiful and colorful.
One little trick I did to save myself a bit of mess is I put stick glue onto my wings, and I actually dipped my wings right into the glitter. So it covered it really nicely, but didn't make as big a mess.
Excellent idea. Wow, I love your birds. Now they're ready to use in our bird story time. Thank you, all our friends from Arrington, Coombs, Hilliers, Whiskey Creek, and Meadowood for joining in on our craft video.